Welcome to Banana on the Boat. Today, we cooking stone crab cakes. I went to my local grocery, so I'm gonna show you how I make stone crab cakes with them. It's never been done. They usually use blue crab, but I'm gonna use stone crab meat. Very simple. We're gonna crack the shell. Remember, when you buy this stone crab claw, make sure it's not cracked. Because if it's cracked, you literally have 2 hours to eat them, and it's gonna go no good. So, uncracked stone crab claw. This is how I crack them. I would put a napkin over the stone crab claw, get a cleaver about this big, about that. So what happens is you're not crushing every single thing, so you're not trying to smash 1,000 times, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna break all of these little shells into tiny little pieces, and it's gonna be really hard to pick apart. What's up, you guys? Now we're back here at Joe's Kitchen. I got all these stone crab meat all chucked up. Now I'm gonna make the crab cake sauce. So right here, I got Panko breadcrumbs, about 1/3 cup, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, some fresh thyme, 1/4 lemon, 1 egg, your good old bay, your spoon, and obviously the stone crab meat. I'm gonna start by making a base sauce. Very simple. We're going to throw in the mayonnaise. Break an egg in there. Fresh thyme. You do not want to use the big stalks. You just want to use the leaves. So I would just, kind of break this up. Next, you got your 1/4 lemon. Make sure there's no seeds. Alright, so this is our hand-picked stone crab meat. It's about 1.5 pounds. And now we're just gonna toss this into the basting sauce. Just like that. You wanna keep them in nice big chunks, just like that. Hence the word lump. Lump stone crab meat. This is 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. You wanna just nicely pour that in. After everything is done, you want to stick this in the refrigerator and give it about 15 minutes. What that's going to do is it's going to bind everything together. It's going to be so much easier when you're cooking. So now I'm going to take this to the refrigerator. Alright, so 15 minutes later, we have our stone crab and the binder and everything is ready. So now we got to find some sort of mold, and I'm using this little glass right here. This is about 1/2 cup. So what I'll do is I'll put the crab into the mold just like this. And what you want to do is push it as packed as you could. Next, you'll just put this onto a plate. Kind of like that. In Maryland, you'll see that they use really big pieces, kind of like this. You'll see on YouTube people use small little balls and you know, there's not that much meat on them. But we're not going to shy away from this recipe. We're gonna use very good ingredients and we're gonna use the best stone crab we can find. Over here now, I got a cast iron skillet and I have a grill that's being preheated to 500 degrees. So on the cast iron skillet, I'm on a medium low heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And here's the secret ingredient, it's butter. About a tablespoon of butter. That's gonna give it that very nice brown look. It's about a 2-minute crisp on each side. So after 2 minutes on the other side, now we're gonna stick them onto the oven. We're gonna keep it in the oven for about 5 minutes. Five minutes later,
usually we just spray a little bit Old Bay on top of the crab cake and then a little bit of lemon juice. Today we're also going to add a little bit of Joe's homemade spicy sauce. We like the spiciness on the crab cake. If you don't like spicy, don't do it, just put lemon juice. It's pretty spicy.
So Cynthia, this is our first time using stone crab as the crab cakes. Usually is blue lump crab meat, just like how they do it in Maryland.
Big pieces.
How is it?
So good. So good. It's a little different from, well, compared to blue crab meat. I have to say blue crab meat is sweeter, but the stone crab meat, the pieces are still so big that you get that big chunk in your mouth and all that seafood flavor. It is just so good. Oh, try it with yourself.
Alright, so stone crab cakes, here we go. Look at that big piece of stone crab. Oh my god. You don't get that in Maryland. Guys, it's delicious. I gotta finish eating. It's really late, but thanks for watching. Sorry. Damn, I just blanked out. Oh. And here's where I up. This is 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce.